Hey, welcome back. Today we are learning about JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, but do not let the name fool you. It is used everywhere, not just in JavaScript. It is the most common format for storing and exchanging data. APIs use it. Config files use it. Databases use it. If you work with data in Python, you need to know JSON. Let's look at the code on screen. First, we import the JSON module. Then we have a Python dictionary called person. It has a name, an age, a list of hobbies, and a boolean called active. Now watch this. We call json.dumps to convert that dictionary into a JSON string. The indent parameter makes it pretty and readable. Dumps with an S means dump to string. To go the other way, we use json.loads. Loads with an S means load from string. It gives us back a regular Python dictionary. Now here is where it gets really useful. Scroll down to the file section. We use json.dump, without the S, to write directly to a file. And json.load, without the S, to read from a file. So remember. With the S, it works with strings. Without the S, it works with files. That is the only difference. Look at the last section. We create a list of people, write it to people.json, then read it back. We loop through the list and print each person's name and age. This is exactly how real applications store data. Your challenge is this. Pause the video. Create a JSON file with a list of 3 books. Each book should have a title, author, and year. Read it back and print each book. JSON is going to come up again in the next lesson when we talk to APIs. See you in lesson 8.